Hey there, everyone. Are you ready to learn how to speak so that people actually listen? Imagine yourself walking into a room full of people, their eyes fixed on you, waiting for you to speak. Maybe it's a job interview, or a big presentation at work, or even a first date. Your heart starts racing. Your hands get sweaty. Your mind goes blank. In this video, we will teach you how to overcome your nervousness and speak in a way that captivates your audience and leaves a lasting impression. Whether you're a shy person or an experienced speaker, we will provide you with practical tips and techniques that will help you become a more confident and persuasive communicator. So if you want to learn how to speak so that people listen, keep watching. Let's begin by opening with a compelling hook. The way you start your message can make all the difference in capturing your audience's attention. Here are 3 strategies to consider. 1. Start with a powerful statement. This could be a bold declaration or a thought-provoking question that challenges your listeners to think differently. For example, you might say, "The way you do business has changed, and if you don't adapt, you will fall behind." Or, "What if I told you that you could double your sales by changing the way you talk to customers?" 2. Share a surprising fact or story. This can be a shocking statistic or an engaging anecdote that sets the stage for the rest of your message. For example, did you know that 90% of people fear public speaking? Or, "There was a time when I felt so nervous before a presentation that I almost backed out last minute." By starting with a captivating hook, you immediately grab your audience's attention and set the tone for the rest of your message. It's important to choose a hook that is relevant to your topic and target audience, as this will help to establish a connection with your listeners from the very beginning. Now that you have their attention, it's time to structure your message so that your audience understands your points clearly and follows along with your train of thought. Here are 2 ways to achieve that. 1. Use storytelling to illustrate your points. Stories are a powerful way to connect with your audience on an emotional level and make your message more memorable. For example, instead of saying customer service is important, say, "A customer came up to me after the event and told me how much they appreciated the extra mile I went to help them solve their problem." By using stories, you bring your message to life and make it more relatable to your audience. 2. Use analogies and metaphors to explain complex ideas. Analogies and metaphors are figures of speech that can help you make your message more memorable and easier to understand. For example, instead of saying, "Managing your time is like juggling," say, "Managing your time is like trying to herd cats." It's challenging, but with the right strategies, you can get them to work together harmoniously. By using analogies and metaphors, you can make your message more engaging, and your audience will appreciate your creativity and wit. By structuring your message in a clear and logical way, your audience will be able to follow your train of thought and understand your points easily. Now it's time to focus on your delivery. Your tone of voice, pace, and body language can make all the difference in how your message is received. Here are 4 ways to enhance your delivery. 1. Modulate your speaking pace. Speaking too fast can make it difficult for your audience to follow along, while speaking too slowly can cause them to lose interest. Find a comfortable pace that allows you to deliver your message clearly and confidently. This may require some practice, but it will be worth it when you see how engaged your audience becomes. 2. Control your vocal tonality and projection. Your voice should be strong and clear, so that everyone in the room can hear and understand you. Practice speaking in a way that projects your voice without straining or shouting. This can help you command attention and emphasize important points. Remember to breathe deeply and support your voice with your diaphragm. No. 3. Don't use filler words excessively. Filler words such as and ah can make you sound less confident and less credible. Be aware of your filler word usage and try to minimize it as much as possible. This can help you project confidence and authority. And no. 4. Maintain purposeful eye contact. Making eye contact with your audience can help you establish a connection with them and make your message more persuasive. However, it's important to make purposeful eye contact rather than just staring blankly ahead. Look at the faces in the room, smile at them, and acknowledge their presence. This can help you build rapport and create a more engaging presentation. So far, we have covered the essentials of delivering a powerful message, but there's still one more key element to consider: managing your nerves. Even the most experienced speakers get nervous before a big presentation or speech. Here are 3 ways to manage your physiological anxiety. No. 1. Use breathing techniques to calm your nerves. Deep breathing exercises can help you relax and focus on the task at hand. Take slow, deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth, counting to 5. This can help you calm your nerves and project confidence. No. 2. Visualize success. Close your eyes and imagine yourself delivering a successful presentation. Visualizing positive outcomes can help you feel more confident and reduce your anxiety levels. Picture yourself speaking with clarity and poise, engaging your audience and achieving your goals. And no. 3. Don't fear silence. Pauses can be a powerful tool for creating emphasis and giving your audience time to process what you've said. Embrace silence and use it to your advantage. It can help you appear more confident and in control. By incorporating these tips into your communication style, you will be able to manage your nerves and deliver your message with confidence. Remember to prepare thoroughly, structure your message logically, work on your delivery, and manage your nerves effectively. And finally, let's wrap it up with a call to action. Let's finish with a bang. Let's add a compelling ending to your message that inspires your audience to take action. Follow these 3 steps to craft a strong conclusion. No. 1. Summarize your main points. Briefly review the key takeaways from your message to reinforce your ideas and ensure that your audience understands your main points. Number 2. Restate your central idea. Remind your audience of your central argument or message. This will help them grasp the significance of what you have shared. And no. 3. End with a call to action. Tell your audience what you want them to do next. This could be something simple like apply these tips to your next presentation or speech. Or remember to breathe deeply before speaking to calm your nerves. By ending with a call to action, you leave your audience feeling empowered and inspired to take the next step. Now you're ready to speak so that people will listen, even if you're nervous. Remember to open with a bang, structure your message for clarity, work on your delivery, and manage your nerves. And finish with a call to action. Practice these tips and techniques until they become second nature. Then watch as your communication skills improve and your confidence grows. Don't wait any longer. Start practicing today and become the speaker you were meant to be. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more great tips. We would love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and let us know what you learned and how you plan to apply it to your own speaking style. Thanks for watching.